How to create a relational drop-down list. A relational drop-down list consists of two drop-down lists. One is parent drop-down list, consists of country names, and other is child drop-down list, which contains state names. Let's see how to create this form. Create a form called master, and add two fields, country name, which is a parent drop-down list. Add state name, which is child drop-down list. Data is added into master form, with country name, and its respective state names. Let's create the registration form. In this form, we will add three fields. The first one is name field. The second field is country. Add the formula, add on change action block. Add field type as relation list, and connect list box source to master form, and field to country name. Add third field as state, and select field type as text, and click on Save. Here in the on change action formula, we have parent dropdown as country. That is the field name created in registration form. The child dropdown here is state, which is the field name in registration form. Here the data source is master form, and the parent field is country name, which is the field name in master form. Here the child field is state name, which is the field name in master form. When you select a country, only its respective state list is shown. This is how Relation List drop-down feature works.